In this video, I will be showing you how to make money while browsing the internet. This is very simple, and anybody can do this and see results. This is available worldwide and anybody can do it. You are completely free to use Windows, Android, or iOS. They will all function flawlessly on this platform. In actuality, you can probably use this platform to browse dozens of websites. You open your browser and spend hours browsing the internet, using social media sites to view movies, listen to music, and read articles. Yes, you may earn money online by installing this particular browser. For 7 days you can use this browser to earn up to $700. So, stay tuned to the very end to learn the hidden objective. Okay, before we start, welcome to the channel. Zilliv Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. The browser we are going to be using in this video is called Brave. You should be aware that Brave is essentially a Google-like browser. However, because it is the search engine with the best online privacy, you obtain fantastic precision on results that are relevant to your search queries, unlike Google. Additionally, Brave asserts that it is faster and more secure than Chrome. As you can see right here, the best privacy online, browse privately, search privately, and ditch big tech. This platform is going to provide you with a very secured browsing experience. If we scroll down right here, stop being followed online. By default, Brave blocks the trackers and creepy ads on every website you visit. And that thing where ads follow you across the web. We block that too. Down again, online privacy made simple. All the good of ad blocking, incognito windows, private search, even VPN. All in a single download. This platform is going to be providing you with all of the mission benefits we just mentioned, all for free. Right here, switch in 60 seconds. With this browser you can quickly import bookmarks, extensions, even saved passwords. It's the best of your old browser, only safer. And it only takes a minute to switch. Right here, the new super app. Brave brings truly independent search, free video calls, offline playlists, even a customizable news feed. All fully private. All right to your browser super app. Right here, privacy you can see. No creepy ads and trackers means less stuff visible or hidden on the sites you visit. And that means faster page load, better battery life, even mobile data savings. If we go down again, right here is a good compression between the Brave browser and other browsers such as Chrome, DuckDuckGo, Edge, Firefox and Safari. Brave is actually the best. It offers the best services out of all these browsers. If we scroll all the way down here, we have advanced features. Right here we have advanced security. The browser has built-in IPFS integration, onion routing with Tor, custom filter lists, and more security features. Brave rewards. You can earn crypto tokens for your attention by opting into privacy-preserving, first-party ads. Crypto wallet. You can have a secure, browser-native wallet to buy, store, send, and swap your crypto assets. Now, to get the browser, just click right up here on download. Once you do that, the browser will be downloaded on to your PC. It is very easy and simple. Once you download it, you can then follow these processes right here to install the browser and start making money. Step 1. Download Brave. Wait for the download to complete. You may need to click Save in a window that pops up. Step 2. Run the installer. Click the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install Brave. Step 3. Import settings. During setup, import bookmarks, extensions, and passwords from your old browser. Once you are done with the process, you are good to go. You can then start making money with the platform. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.